Hey, Dr. McNamara here, and today I want to talk about how to fix that hunchback type of posture. Now, this posture is also known as upper cross syndrome, and is primarily due to weak, deep neck flexors, as well as weak rhomboids as serratus anterior muscle, and it also has to do with tight pectoralis major muscles and the upper trap and levator scapula. So our stabilizers tend to be weak, and our prime muscular movers tend to be a little tight. So here are some exercises on how to mitigate that issue. So the first exercise we're going to do is to strengthen the stabilizers. What we're going to start with is the deep flexors of the neck and how to strengthen that. So what we're going to do is we're going to do neck curls, and the way you do that is first translate the head backwards. You should start feeling some activation of those muscles, then start curling down nice and slow and controlled, and do about 3 to 5 sets for about 5 to 10 reps of those. The next exercise we want to do, and we'll link to a video in the description to a longer video, is shoulder blade cars, controlled articular rotations. And what you do for that is you want to do the primary movements of the shoulder, which is depression with retraction, retraction with elevation, protraction with elevation, and protraction with depression. And this will rebuild that neuromuscular control so we have stronger rhomboids and serratus anterior. Now, the second thing we have to do is to stretch what is too tight. So we got to stretch out our levator as well as our upper traps. And the way we're going to do this exercise is first you're going to take your hands and interlock them behind the back. And then if I want to stretch my left shoulder, I'm going to bring it to my right hip and then point my right shoulder back. This is going to lower, it's going to depress my shoulder blade. From here, I'm going to drop my right ear to my right shoulder, and then I'm just going to nod, yes. And I'm feeling a really good stretch all through that upper trap and that levator scapula right there. Now, the next stretch we want to do, we're going to come to a doorway, and I'll link to another video on this so you can do the Pales rails of this exercise. But essentially, all we want to do is just open up the chest and build more range of motion into the pec muscles. So for this stretch, check out that video of the Pales rails, or just hold 3 to 5 sets for about 30 seconds. So if you or someone you know is suffering from that hunchback posture, have them check out this video and try these exercises. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe for more.